Hello and welcome to the Rock Dojo. My name is Brian Parham and I'll be your guitar sensei. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to play the opening riff to Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. This guitar lesson is perfect for kids or beginners of any age. But before we dive in, I want to send a special shout out to those of you who are part of the Rock Dojo community. Your support helps me to share the positive power of rock guitar. If you're not part of the community, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. It's free and you'll never miss a lesson. So here we go. Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. Nice and slow, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those notes are starting on the low E string, 2, 2, followed by 4 on the A, back to 2 on the E. Next notes, 5, 2, so 5 on the A, 2 on the E, 4 on the A, 2 on the E. So that sounds like this. Put those two lines together. Once again, count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second half of the riff goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those notes are 2 on the A, open A, 4 on the E, open A. So that sounds like this. Once again. And the last group of notes are 2 on the A, open A, 4 on the E, open E. So the second half once again sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you put that all together nice and slow, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it, Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. It's free and you'll never miss a lesson. And finally, I have a free bonus for you. A free introductory guitar course for kids. Just click on the link below and I'll teach your son or daughter how to hold the guitar, parts of the guitar, their first riff, open power chords, and so much more. Just click in the link in the description. And don't forget, every guitar master was once a beginner. The more you practice, the better you will become. Rock!